All right, so we are sitting outside of Intracoastal Brewery. They're working on our car in a auto shop down the road here. And so my wife and I came over here and we sat here, and it's fairly loud. There's some traffic in the background, as you can see back there. There's also music playing in the background, and I wanted to test these different headsets. And so here's the decibel reader. And this volume, or this decibel, go up depending on what type of cars or how much traffic is going by back there. So this is what it would sound like if you were using the Jabra Evolve 265 Flex in this noisy environment. You see, it really jumped up there. All right, let's try different headsets. Plus there's music playing in the background. All right, let's try a different headset. All right, so now we have the Yealink BH70 headset out here in this environment. Again, there's music playing in the background. There's a slight breeze blowing, and again, there's cars that are driving by behind me. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Yealink BH70 in this environment. All right, so now I have the Shokz Opencomm2 UC in this environment. Some car just went by. They were like thumping. You know, they like the cars that go boom. All right, so now I have the new Logitech Zone Wireless 2 headset in this environment. I'll have to say again, I've done tests with this headset. The ANC works really well, so that would kind of look to see if there's still cars coming behind me there. But there is wind blowing, and again, there's music playing in the background here. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Logitech Zone Wireless 2 in this environment. All right, so now we have the EPOS Impact 1000. I've done multiple tests on this particular headset, so I have high hopes that this headset will perform well in this particular environment. There's people laughing in the background over there. There's cars zipping by. The wind is blowing. Music is playing. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using the EPOS Impact 1061T in this environment. All right, so now we have the JPL BT-500D. And so this is a cost-effective Bluetooth headset, UC Bluetooth headset. You can use this on your computer, on your desk phone. Man, that's loud. All right, and so this is what it would sound like if you were using the JPL BT-500D in this environment. All right, now we have the Apple AirPods Pro. I get asked frequently about this, and so I have these on. I am paired directly to my iPhone, so that may impact the performance of these. In fact, all these headsets have been paired directly to my iPhone for this particular test. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Apple AirPods Pro in this environment. Now, I do have to say, the ANC is pretty doggone good. I kind of hear the music in the background, but it's hard to hear these cars in the background. But I know they're zipping by. But anyway, let's go on to the next headset. Now we have the Voyager 360 earbuds. And so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Voyager 360 earbuds in this environment. So let's wait and see if there's any cars going to be zip on by. Oh, there's this truck. Anything else coming along? In a little bit, though, it's going to be like 5 o'clock, and this is going to start getting a little bit crazy. Okay, so now I have the Logitech Zone True Wireless Earbuds. The challenge is I think there's only one working. I can't hear anything out of this one here, and so I think this is the only one that's working. So this is what it would sound like if you were using a single Logitech Zone True Wireless Earbud in this environment. All right, so now we have the Jabra Evolve 2 Buds, and so this is what they would sound like. The ANC is actually pretty good. I also use the hear through. That works really well as well. So this is what it would sound like if you're using Jabra Evolve 2 Buds in this environment. All right, and finally we have the Yealink BH71 headset. You can see this is a ear hook style headset that goes into the ear. Extremely comfortable, lightweight, and so this is what it would sound like if you're using the Yealink BH71 in this environment. Like this ear is open, so I can hear that it's extremely loud. Again, the wind is blowing, loud music. Cars are just stalled there, so they're not really moving around there. But anyway, this is what it would sound like using the Yealink BH71. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.